In today's video, we're breaking down the Vitals app, an all-in-one Shopify tool designed to help you increase your sales, improve customer experience, and scale your store efficiently. My name is Ashley, and if you're looking for an all-in-one app that can replace 10 plus others and simplify your store management, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Vitals? Vitals is a multi-feature Shopify app that combines over 40 different tools into a single interface. Instead of stacking up 10 or more individual apps, which can get expensive and slow down your site, Vitals simplifies your tech stack by giving you everything you need to optimize your Shopify store in one place. From increasing your average order value to building trust with new visitors and re-engaging shoppers who didn't complete checkout, Vitals is built to help you boost conversions at every step of the customer journey. Whether you're just launching your first store or scaling a high volume business, Vitals adapts to your needs. You can turn features on or off individually so you're never overwhelmed. The interface is clean, the support is strong, and the updates are consistent, making it one of the most dependable apps in the Shopify ecosystem. Now, let's go deeper into what makes Vitals so powerful by exploring its key features. Number one is volume discounts and product bundles. One of the most effective ways to grow a store is by increasing the average order value, and Vitals makes this super simple. The volume discounts feature allows you to incentivize bulk purchases. For example, buy 2 get 10% off or buy 3 get 20% off. This encourages customers to add more items to their cart and spend more without feeling pressured. Similarly, product bundles let you group related items together for a discounted price. You can create bundles manually or use the frequently bought together logic. Either way, these options help you turn every purchase into a bigger transaction. And because you can customize the looks and timing of these offers, it doesn't feel spammy or intrusive. Number two is pre-orders and out of stock sales. This feature is underrated but incredibly useful. With Vitals, you can take pre-orders on items that haven't launched yet or are temporarily out of stock. This helps you validate demand before restocking or launching. And most importantly, it means you never miss a sale just because inventory isn't ready. You can also display an expected ship date or custom message, which keeps communication clear with the customers and helps you manage expectations while you generate revenue on autopilot. Number three is sticky add to cart, recently viewed, and related products. These are subtle but very powerful tools that improve the customer experience and guide users towards purchasing. Sticky add to cart keeps the call to actions visible as customers scroll. This is especially helpful on mobile, reducing friction and making it easier for shoppers to commit. The recently viewed widget reminds visitors of products they've looked at, which increases the chances they go back and buy. And the related products feature gives smart recommendations that encourage upsells and cross-sells. Used together, these tools make your site feel more personalized and intuitive, while also mimicking the kind of product discovery that big platforms like Amazon use to keep customers shopping. Number four is cart abandonment recovery tools. Cart abandonment is one of the most common challenges for e-commerce stores, and Vitals addresses it head on. You can set up automated email reminders for users who left items in their cart, along with smart tab notifications like flashing messages when users switch tabs. Even if someone was distracted mid-checkout, these tools give you a second chance to bring them back. And often, that reminder is all it takes to recover the sale. Number five is trust building features like reviews, badges, stock scarcity, and more. If someone's on your site for the first time, their buying decision hinges on whether they trust you. Vitals helps build that trust in multiple ways. You can display verified product reviews, star ratings, trust badges, payment icons, and even real-time sales notifications that show what others are buying. You can also add urgency with stock scarcity warnings, like only 3 left in stock or countdown timers for limited time deals. These small touches create the sense that something valuable might be missed, which can tip the scale towards faster conversions. Number six is social proof and conversion enhancers. Vitals helps you showcase real-time activity to reassure potential buyers. Features like the recent sales pop-up lets visitors see what others are buying in real time. It's subtle but psychologically effective. Pair that with visitor counters, like how many people are viewing a product, and you've got the kind of social proof that makes a product feel more in demand. These tools are especially helpful for newer stores trying to create momentum and credibility quickly. Number seven is visitor replays. This is one of Vitals' most advanced and insightful features. It records user sessions on your site so you can literally watch what customers do, where they scroll, where they hesitate, and where they bounce. These replays help you pinpoint design issues, broken elements, or areas where people are getting stuck. You can then make changes based on real-time behavior, not just guesses or analytics reports. It's like having your own user testing lab built right into your Shopify dashboard. Number eight is customizations and UI controls. Vitals doesn't just offer features, it also gives you control over how they appear. Each tool can be turned on or off independently, and you can tweak the style styling to match your store's branding. Whether you want light or dark themes, button placements, or specific icons, everything is configurable without needing a developer. This flexibility is what makes it suitable for both beginners and advanced sellers. You're not locked up into one look or setup. Let's go over some of the pros and cons. So one of the biggest pros of using Vitals is how much it simplifies store optimization. Instead of juggling 8 to 10 different Shopify apps, Vitals gives you all the key conversions you need in one clean dashboard. This not only saves money on subscriptions, but also helps your store load faster since you're not piling on extra scripts or bloated code. The platform is easy to navigate and you can activate just the features you want, whether that's upsells, reviews, trust badges, or cart recovery. Another standout benefit is the visitor replay feature. Most apps don't offer this level of insight into customer behavior. Being able to watch user sessions gives you an edge when it comes to conversion rate optimization. You'll see where shoppers drop off or get stuck and can make fast, meaningful changes based on what actually happens on your site. Plus, with pre-orders, product bundles, and urgency tools like countdown timers and low stock alerts, Vitals doesn't just look good on paper, it actually helps you sell more. On the flip side, the app can feel a bit overwhelming at first, simply because it offers so much. If you're someone who just wants one or two specific tools, you may not need the entire suite. There's also some potential overlaps with existing apps, which means you'll want to double check that you're not duplicating functionality like review displays or email sequences. And while the customization is flexible, getting the look just right for your brand may take a bit of tweaking up front. Still, for most Shopify store owners, especially those scaling up, the pros of Vitals far outweigh the cons. So now, if you want to get started with Vitals, use our exclusive link in the description below. After the free trial, it starts at $29.99 a month. So since this is an app for Shopify, you will need to create a Shopify store. Again, if you want to check out Shopify, you can get 3 days free and then 1 month for $1 using our link below. You don't even have to add your credit card at first. All you have to do is enter in your email and start the free trial. And then you are good to go with your Shopify account, and then you can go ahead and add Vitals to your Shopify account. And again, you can get a 3-day free trial in the first month for just $1. So is Vitals for you? Vitals is one of the best kept secrets in the Shopify world. Not because people haven't heard of it, but because it quietly does everything well without needing a flashy reputation. If you're running a Shopify store and want to optimize your performance, increase conversions, and simplify your app stack, Vitals is a no-brainer. It gives you everything you need in one place and costs less than the combined total of all the apps it replaces. Whether you're focused on data-driven growth, customer retention, or just building a better on-site experience, Vitals checks every box. And the best part is you don't need to be tech savvy to use it. Everything is drag and drop, toggle on functionality. That wraps up this video. This channel is all about helping you grow your e-commerce brand with the best tools and strategies. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.